Scarlet is in Jag's cage, and he doesn't like it. Scarlet is 6 months old, and Jagsy, he's 12 months. Jagsy, come here. Mummy's safe for you. Hey? Is she in your cage? Is she in your cage? Hey? What you doing, Scarlet? What are you doing? You being cheeky. Hey, you hassling Jags. You hassling Jagsy. Hey? You have your own cage to play in. What are you doing? What are you doing, silly daffer? Hey? Yeah, that's the camera. Yeah, what's Jagsy boy doing? Too much sun there, baby boy. What are you doing? What are you doing, Scarlet? Oh, cricket. Look at Jagsy. Mommy, come pick me up. Eddie, pick me up, Mommy. You see my shoulder. On you get. You cheeky Scarlet. What you doing, Scarlet, eh? Not on your cage? You're a dag. You're...